is part 2 of my graduation video series, where my service dog comes to graduation with me. Please enjoy. When family says hi to your service dog, you know they're not supposed to, and it gets her all riled up and start whining. But, yeah. And then this is me just ranting about it, because I was upset and already cranky because I had to wake up in the morning. Even though I was upset and ranting, she still was the goodest girl. No. And then we tried to go to Starbucks, but no one wanted Starbucks, so we ended up going to a smoothie place, which you will see now. Fit check, hey, and Donnie. And now this is us on the road to our hour trip from Schenectady all the way to my colleges.
Haudenosaunee Confederacy, like Canada. Recognized and honored.
Mackenzie, Marie, Dugas, and Dawn. Catherine, Enya, Bowen. Mackenzie, Marie, Dugas, and Dawn. Catherine.
Declare the conclusion for the 2024-25 academic year in the 107th commencement exercise of SUNY College School.
I threw that shit. I'm gonna go up to people, but not to go up to people. Right, Dawn? Wait, you want to wear your hat going out? No, because you could drop it and shake it off. It's not gonna be good. No, leave it. Leave it. Well, I would have never known. Use my Stewart Shops gift card I got at college like a year ago, and got free ice cream. And I gotta say, this was at the rest stop halfway through that had a little pet relief area. This was one of the most beautiful drives back from New York to Boston that I have had. And thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. This is the part 2, the final part of my graduation videos. Sorry it took so long to record and edit. I will be finishing editing the Pride videos I have, and there was one other. So those will be posted eventually. Make sure you follow.